Hey skiers, Emily from skiessentials.com. Welcome to our 2023 ski test. Today I'm talking about the Blizzard Black Pearl 88. I'm sure you've all heard of this ski before, as it's a very popular ski and we continue to see its popularity season after season. It really just appeals to a wide range of skiers, has a lot of capabilities, just a really great daily driver for many people. It's super forgiving, responsive, has the construction to really enhance whatever type of skiing that calls to you. If you're looking to go into the trees, bumps, and just be nimble and quick and just have a lot of fun making snappy turns, they'll take you there. If you want to really lay some carves on a groomer and bring them up to speed, they also enjoy that. So just all around, well-rounded, balanced ski. As far as construction, we have a true blend wood core with carbon stringers in the tips and tails, and then metal underfoot that really you can just see clearly underfoot here. So edge to edge, just really perfectly positioned so you have that stable responsiveness directly underfoot, and then towards the extremities of the ski it gets a little bit lighter, more playful, which really speaks to its personality and just overall feel. As far as shape and profile, we have camber underfoot, and you can clearly see that there, and then rocker in the tips, and in the tails, little bit of splay, but really just an ideal shape for an all-mountain ski. As far as the turning radius, we have a 15-meter turn radius in a, let's see what we have here. I believe it is a 171. So kind of middle of the road, capable of doing any type of size turn you want to do, short, medium, long. Really, again, adding to its versatility and its willingness to just abide by how you want to ski it. So really just appeals to, like I said, a lot of different skiers, a lot of different ability levels, different terrain, conditions, just really can handle a lot of everything. It is on the narrower side for an all-mountain ski at 88 underfoot. So if you're more interested in a wider one, you can go up in the Black Pearl family, but this is a really nice middle of the road one ski quiver option. And if you want to learn more about it, head on over to skiessentials.com and we'll see you on the slopes.